Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It may seem like it's a whole nother day because I'm uploading this on a separate day, but this is actually the third video that I have filmed today. I filmed my Walt Disney World haul and my Disney Princess movie pin haul, and now I'm filming my Star Wars pin haul because I honestly really want to put all of my new pins on my little R2-D2 board. And honestly, I need to gauge whether or not I need to get another Star Wars themed pin board. So I'm just going to be going through all the pins that I purchased while I was in Disney World, and hope you guys enjoy. So the first pin set that I have here is a blind bag that I actually found in Disney Springs at the Star Wars Trading Post, and it features these really cool, simple black, white, and silver droid pins. I mainly got this because I wanted to get an R2 unit, I wanted the BB unit, and I can't remember which other one. Maybe there was another one that I wanted. I think those were the main two. I wanted R2 and BB. But I did get a BB unit, but I did not get the R2 unit. So I might get this again next time I go. But as you can see, I got all different types of droids in this pin pack. And I just think these are cool. Like, I like how simple they are, honestly. And I think it would be fun to get every different type of droid. Oh, it was the probe droid. That was the other one that I wanted. So yeah, I got C1, Dumb, R1, BB, and 1B, 21B. I'm not sure how they say that one, but I know this is a medical droid, and I think that's really cool because that's like one of the types of droids that helps to build Anakin's Vader suit. So I think that's really cool. But yeah, I really like these. And I believe the pin set for this was like $30 for 5 pins. The next set of pins that I got are all part of the Galaxy's Edge Rebellion pin set. I actually unboxed 2 of these boxes that have 2 pins each, so 4 pins total, last time I was in Disney, and I ended up getting a duplicate box, so I traded my duplicates for another Star Wars pin. And then I did end up getting another duplicate box. I had a total of 6 pins, but I'm only displaying 4 because I got 2 duplicates. But I can't wait to complete this collection. I really, really like these. I think that they're cool. I love that the X-Wings like come off of the pin. Yeah, I really enjoy these, and I can't wait to finish out this set. Next are actually 2 pins that I traded for, and these are probably 2 of the best quality pins that I traded for. So these are not like hard enamel pins. I believe these are technically screen printed. I think that's the term for this, but I just thought that they were cool. So these are snowflakes, but when you look closer, they are R2-D2 and Darth Vader, which I think is really interesting. And I just thought these were fun. I don't know if there are more that exist in this collection. Next up, I got another mystery bag. I didn't really care which pins out of this bag I got specifically. I just wanted a couple of these because I thought they were really cool. They're all themed after kind of like first order propaganda posters, and I just really liked the design of these. They look like framed propaganda posters that you would see around the galaxy as they're trying to recruit more stormtroopers. Good lord, can't talk today. But I just think that these are really cool, and I feel like this is the first time I've seen something like this in a pin, and I really, really like these. Next up, I got a Boba Fett pin, and there are 3 pins that kind of all are included in this like collection, if you will. They have a Darth Vader, they have a Stormtrooper, and then they have Boba Fett. And so I just needed the Boba Fett to finish the collection, and I'm really glad I got him because I just think these are so pretty. I love the coloring, I love the design on them. I think these are really pretty pins, and I'm excited to have all 3 of the ones in this collection. I would love if they came out with some matching ones that are like pilot helmets and stuff. I think that would be cool. But we shall see. Next up, I did get a couple of limited release pins. I got this one that was for May the 4th. This pin was $15.99, and it says Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you. And we have a Rebel pilot up there at the top, and then a First Order pilot there at the bottom, and then it says May the 4th be with you on it. And I just think that this pin is really cool. And honestly, anytime I see a pin that fits my collection that's limited release, I pretty much grab it, because limited release or limited edition, I pretty much grab it because don't know how long it's going to be for, and if I regret buying it, that's really going to stink because it might be hard to find later on. So I also got this limited release pin, which I'm so excited about because it is the Bad Batch themed. Oh, what? It's 2 separate pins? Whoa. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I mean in a second, why that surprised me. I'm going to put them separate and then I'll put them together. So it's 2 pins and it's the Bad Batch. And then I believe it says 99 right there because this should be Clone Group 99, isn't that correct? But what's interesting is that I didn't realize that this pin is a standalone pin, because on the pin back, it looked like this. And so I thought it was just a pin-on-pin element, but it's actually a pin-on-pin element that's 2 separate pins. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this one in my collection. I cannot wait to start watching the Bad Batch. Brendan and I have plans to watch it, but we do want to finish watching the Clone Wars animated series before we move on to the Bad Batch. And we still have a decent way left to go on that. Next up, I got this pin. This is not limited edition or anything. This is just normal open edition, but it is a Droid Depot pin, and I really like this one because his arms move around. They're really like stiff. This one's not so bad, but the other 2 are like pretty stiff and hard to move, but it's not like I'm gonna be trying to move them all the time. But I just thought that this was pretty cool, and yeah, I just like him, so I got him. Alright, and last 4 pins that I have right here are a pin set, and I'm going to leave them on their packaging so you guys can see. This pin set was $27.99, and it's pretty much all in Arabic, so I'm not going to be able to read it to you guys. I need to get out like my little translator on the Disney Play app, so I can read what these are, but this says like Oga's Cantina for sure. Then we have an Ewok, a Bantha, and like some giant axes. I'm trying to think of what those would be related to. But it says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and they're kind of all in this like rustic copper coloring. And they're all kind of, I think, supposed to represent different places around Galaxy's Edge or just around like the Star Wars galaxy in general. Last thing I want to do before I close out this video is I want to put everything on my pin board. Hopefully they all fit. They're definitely not going to, because with my old Star Wars pins and these ones, there's literally like no way. All right, here's the finished product for now. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins that didn't get on there. Mainly these Star Wars Galaxy's Edge location pins, my set of like the Star Wars ladies pins, and then this one from Savi's workshop. So as you can see, I've kind of got my Rebellion Squadron collection up here. I've got my R2 and Darth snowflakes. I've kind of got all the droids right here. Kind of got somewhat of a Stormtrooper section-ish here. I've got my Bad Batch pin. This was the only pin that fit here, so I stuck one of my Grogu pins there. Got my Darth Vader Stormtrooper Boba Fett collection here. My First Order propaganda posters, and then 2 more Grogu pins down here. So I fit a decent amount on there. Definitely need to order another board. I already ordered an Ariel board and a castle board so that I can put all my Ariel pins now that I have a lot on one board, and all of my castle and other princess themed pins on that board. I know it's a lot bigger, so I may go ahead and put my extra Star Wars pins on that when it comes in, because I don't need to spend more money on a pin board right now. So yeah, those are all the Star Wars pins that I picked up while I was in Disney. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give a like and hit that subscribe button down below. I have more more pin hauls coming to you guys very shortly, along with plenty of other Disney content. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Yeah, yeah.